Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Unboxing again. February is a hot month. I just did an unboxing of the OnePlus 11 and my SIM cards in that phone at the moment. But it's also a big month for Samsung. They just released their S22 line. In this little package from Best Buy, I have an S23 Ultra. I did use previously a Note 20 in the past, and I never mind the size. So, you know, I don't think I'll have a problem with this since they're probably the same exact size. So we use our trusty SIM card ejector tool to cut stuff. Classic thin box, all black. You know there's no charger in here. That's why you open it up, you get the phone ready. I'll start with this side. The usual. You know what's in here already. Doesn't open. It opens at the top, but nothing comes out from the top for some reason. But anyway, quick guide. Terms and conditions. USB-C to USB-C cable. Very nice. Oh, there you go. This comes out. SIM ejector tool. Always nice to have. That's about it. Nothing to surprise you here, but the phone. You pull the tab here at the bottom. The whole plastic thing comes off, and there's the phone. Nothing in the bottom. This is the front of the phone. So they show you the back, obviously, where the camera is facing up. And there it is. In the new green colorway. It's like dark forest, army greenish. It looks pretty good. I didn't like the way it looks in the photos. I was hoping it was going to look better in person, and it does. Because it looked like it was, in the photos and the videos I watched, it looks like almost grayish. Like the saturation is very low. But no, this one's green. This is pretty dark greenish. It's not that pale as it looks in photos for some reason. Off the bat, I already like the feel of the sides. I went to T-Mobile and I held it for like 5 seconds and I thought, you know what? This is nice. It's a lot flatter, less curves. And I prefer that. I think it's better to hold devices where they're thicker here. This is how I think a curve should be and the sides should be. So I'm really liking this so far. Pretty big phone. Let's go ahead and peel this. Alright, so let's talk about the body a little bit. Top, microphones already for better sound. Nothing on the left side, completely clean, and that's nice. On the right side, we got the volume rocker right up here, and then the power button. Not too hard to reach. I would say I have medium-sized hands. I don't know. Little fat sausages over here, but not too big, not too small. And it's you can kind of reach the rocker, but the top part of the rocker is a little high, which is fine. You're not using this one-handed probably anyway. And then the bottom, we got the S Pen right here, speakers, microphones, the USB-C port for charging, and the SIM. Might as well pop out the SIM already. Look at that. SIM tray. Just one SIM card, no micro SD support. As you probably already expected though, you're not going to see micro SD support anymore on these phones. And then the pen. Little click. Pops out a little bit. The bottom is green, so it matches the body. Green top piece, and then the rest of it's black. And the little button is black, and it has a matte feeling to the pen. It doesn't feel as smooth. It's a lot more grippier. This matte black on there. Putting back in the pen, just as easy. No problems there. In typical Samsung fashion, we have improved cameras again, with the main camera being a 200 megapixel camera with OIS. Do we really need 200 megapixels? You probably don't, but I mean, if you could put it in it, why not? Don't think that 200 megapixels automatically means better photos by itself. They gotta make improvements somehow, so they gave us that. Okay, so we have two 10 megapixel cameras for telephoto. We have a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and then on the front, we got a 12 megapixel camera right up here, capable of 4K recording, 60 frames per second. That's your thing. This matte finish is really nice. It's not gonna show fingerprints. It really doesn't show fingerprints. It feels nice and smooth. This is not part of the review, but just usually grab clear cases. This is from Amazon. A Rari? I don't know how to pronounce it, but if you're wondering what it looks like with a clear case, I might as well show you. So if you're interested, I'll put this link in the description. If you're interested in just a whatever case, it's a TPU case. It's a little more structured. It's flimsy, like a TPU case should be, but there's more. It feels more structured than the typical cheaper ones. So this is not that expensive. I got this because I like showing off the colors of the phone. I usually go with clear cases. Ooh, this one's like super grippy. I don't think I'll ever drop this. This will probably get stuck in my pocket like easily. And the buttons, very tactile. There's a lip on the top and the bottom. So face down, no problem. And then you can see the design and the space in between the lenses and the flash are all covered. Lanyard spot right here too. All the ports are pretty wide open. S Pen port is big enough that you can fit your whole finger in there and press it down, no problem. So that's the case I'll be using when I do the review on this phone. I love grippy cases that have textured buttons. The power button on here is also textured, so you're gonna be able to tell the difference, obviously. Anyway, that's the case I'll be using. This is the Galaxy S23 Ultra in the green colorway. Thanks for stopping by. Come back for the review and have a good day. Take it easy.